Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to... Are you licking them? How does it feel to be 5? And we ordered her favorite for breakfast, which is chocolate and glazed donuts. Which one do you want first? Brooklyn gets to pick first.
That one and that one.
Okay.
And that one.
Go ahead.
Hurts. And that one hurts.
Good morning. It's Brooklyn Day.
A birthday bucket.
So the babies are over there eating the donuts.
Chocolate. Mine.
She woke up and asked, "Can I have something special for breakfast since it's my birthday?" And I said, "What do you want that's special?" And she said, chocolate donuts. Alright, so
I'm great.
the teenagers are still asleep. I'm gonna have my morning routine, energy.
I'm gonna go get my juice box.
I don't have ginger juice again.
Okay.
I was gonna do it last night, but I ended up doing a balloons instead. Apple cider.
I did. And that. So you have to look it.
Super greens.
If you look it, you. Remember? It's yummy.
3 pounds away from my goal that I set myself for the 100 days. So for 100 days, I wanted to lose 20 pounds. I'm literally 3 pounds away. And tonight we're going out for Brooklyn's birthday, so I already know I'm gonna eat and like possibly gain pounds. So for the next week, I have to like go hard. So close to hitting my goal. If I don't hit 20 pounds in the 100 days, I'll be upset.
I want that way. Terry.
So
Terry.
I'm not gonna stop after I'm done the 100-day vlog. I'm still gonna keep going because I'm doing obviously prepping for the cruise, and I'm gonna just keep going until it's cruise time, and hopefully I'll lose another 20 pounds by September. So the ultimate goal would be 40 pounds. So let's see if I can lose 40 pounds by September. So it'll be July, August, September. It's kind of cutting it. I don't know. We shall see. I'm gonna try. Shimash. Fat burner.
Okay.
Fat burner. I already made my shake while we were waiting for their donuts. And I made my espresso. This is 2 shots of espresso that I've been putting in here. And then I have the creamer. I'm going to add that in here.
Mom.
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
So they're pulling down the balloons and pop.
Yeah, a big one.
So I have my shake. I'm going to drink my shake and then we're gonna go give Brooklyn a little mini photo shoot. So
with my birthday balloon.
with her birthday balloon.
I want to show them my birthday balloon.
We're making a birthday vlog for her, and we're gonna post it on our family channel if you guys want to watch it.
I'm doing this. Let's go put it back.
I bought her one of those balloons every year on her birthday, so I should get all those pictures from every. Do that while I'm drinking my shake. I'm gonna get her pictures with her balloon from 1 to 5. It's gonna be so cute. Okay, see you guys later when I take her pictures or eat, or I don't know. We'll see.
Bye.
We'll see how today goes.
Bye.
Yes. Okay, girl. Hit it. Pose. Spin. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. We are eating barbecue pizzas. I got thin crust. I'm not gonna eat this whole thing by myself. Don't worry. Come on, I already got a piece. We are eating at Brooklyn's favorite place for her birthday. Cece's Pizza.
I want to watch the Spider-Man.
We watched it alone.
It was really good.
I want to watch it so bad.
I want this.
It's Brookie's birthday.
It is.
No, AJ.
What are you getting? At Brooklyn's favorite store. Because it's her birthday. Y'all, this has been like the longest birthday celebration. Like, I am exhausted. I am so tired and I cannot wait to wake up tomorrow and not have to do any birthday stuff. I feel like I've been doing birthday stuff for a week now. And I'm done. It's official. We got a 5-year-old. Her birthday's done because she's asleep. And we can go back to our regular scheduled program. I'm tired. Anyway, I'm gonna take my nightly stuff. Oh, what's wrong with my face? I'm gonna take some super greens. Open it. I just accidentally chewed up all my super green without the apple cider. Now I gotta taste this nasty apple cider. Let me take 2 of these. So I can sleep. My nails are horrible. I'm gonna get my nails done so bad. Maybe I'll go tomorrow. Yeah. That growth. But look at the retention though. I don't have one lifting at all. I love the growth of my nails. Hopefully she has opening tomorrow. Alright, so see mom's. Some put pepper in it. Alright, barbecue pizza at Cece's. They're so good. Okay, I'm gonna take my treatment and we'll go to bed because I'm just tired. I don't even know what my husband's got on his TV. Thank you guys for celebrating Brooklyn with me, for watching and supporting. Tomorrow we are back to business. And I'll see y'all in the next video.